Today I'm going to be making a battery operated handheld fan using my electronics kit. Let's see what's inside the bag. You will need a double battery box, a motor, a switch, a propeller, and 3 cables, 2 batteries, some sellotape, and a fruit shoot, but I've got to drink this first. I've peeled off all the labels, washed it out, and cut a big hole and a little hole at the front and back. These are the bits that I've got left over. This is the hole for the gubbins, and this is the hole for the switch. This is the circuit that I'm going to create. It starts off with a double battery holder, and then the wire leads it to the switch, and the other bit of wire then leads it to the motor where the propeller will be fixed onto it, and then the last bit of wire leads back to the battery holder. Let's get building. First I'm going to mount the switch. I'm going to connect the wires to the motor. Next, I'm going to install the motor by pulling the cables through the bottom. Next, I'm going to take a piece of tape to secure the motor to the bottle. I'm going to connect one wire to the switch. Next, I'm going to connect the other wire to the other part of the switch. Next, I'm going to connect the batteries to these 2 wires. And now I'm going to give it a quick test with the switch. Yes, works. I'm going to connect the propeller to the motor. The next stage is to push all the gubbins into the bottle. All we have to do now is test it. And that is how you make a handheld fan.